Hello traders, and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, in this video, we are taking a look at ZxPlus EA for MetaTrader 4. Right away, it is important to note that this is an MT4 expert advisor, and according to the MQL5 Marketplace page, it is currently priced at 199 US dollars. The EA was developed by Lorraine Pierce, and the version displayed here is version 1.7, updated on February 10th, 2021. As I scroll through the marketplace page, one of the first things highlighted is that the EA is designed as a trend-based trading system. The developer also emphasizes that it does not use grid strategies or martingale techniques and is described as FIFO compliant, which may be important for traders operating under brokers that require FIFO rules. Another notable point mentioned directly on the page is that backtesting is described as not feasible by the developer because the EA uses a level 3 Cephomore indicator that moves to higher highs and lower lows over time. That's an important consideration when evaluating historical testing results and understanding the limitations of conventional backtest analysis. Looking further into the strategy description, the developer explains how trade opportunities are identified. The EA first waits for a level 3 Cephomore signal indicating an important high or low level. After that, multiple confirmation conditions must align before a trade is opened. The slow moving average must indicate the same direction. The fast moving average must confirm that direction as well. The Heiken Ashi zone trade candle must match the same color, and the built-in ZxPlus D indicator, described as a MACD type trend indicator, must also confirm the setup. So once all of these conditions align, the EA opens a single trade. One thing I find interesting here is that the developer provides multiple exit methods rather than forcing a single approach. Users can choose to exit on an opposite signal, on candle close, on a gray Heiken Ashi candle, or only when a gray candle appears while the trade is already in profit. This flexibility allows traders to adapt trade management according to their own preferences. Now, moving into the settings section, there are several risk management controls available. Users can configure lot size manually or enable money management. Risk calculations can be based on account balance, account equity, or free margin, along with a customizable risk percentage. The EA also includes stop loss and take profit controls, trailing stop functionality, break-even settings, maximum acceptable lot size restrictions, and minimum closing profit requirements. These settings give traders a significant amount of control over position management and risk exposure. There are also extensive time filter options available. Traders can choose specific days of the week for trading activity and can define custom trading hours and minutes. In addition, the EA includes spread filters, slippage controls, magic number settings, and optional account information displays. Now, when it comes to the backtesting section, it is important to approach this review slightly differently. As mentioned by the developer, the use of the level 3 semaphore, the use of the level 3 semaphore means traditional historical backtesting may not accurately represent how signals appeared in real time. Because of that, any historical analysis should be interpreted with caution. Okay? So, before we head over to our strategy tester, let's just briefly see what we have displayed here. This basically seems like, displaying the EA in action, and pips generated and all of that, trade history, the input settings and all of that. Let's head over to our strategy tester now. Okay, so if you are reviewing historical chart activity, the focus should be on understanding how the various confirmation tools worked together rather than relying solely on performance statistics. All right, based on the strategy description, trades only occur after multiple trend confirmations align, which suggests that signal filtering plays a significant role in the overall approach. So we are testing the ZxPlus EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. We are using the every tick modeling, and we are testing over the past 3 months from 23rd March to 23rd June 2026. All right. And from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was $1,311.84. Total trades taken were 7, out of which 5 were profitable, giving us a 71.43% win rate. Largest profit was 871.58. Largest loss was 59.28. Average profit 283.08. Average loss 51.77. So that tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very good. All right, it's excellent, and the win rate is also good. So it's not surprising to see a net profit of about 13% over 3 months. Okay, so now let's just go turn on the visuals. Let's see how the EA looks like in action. Regardless of any historical testing performance displayed, I will still strongly recommend conducting your own forward testing and demo account evaluation. The developer also notes that this system has undergone numerous revisions over several years, so testing under current market conditions remains important. As always, historical backtest results and historical analysis should never be viewed as guarantees of future performance. Actual trading outcomes can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizes, spread conditions, slippage, broker execution quality, market volatility, and how the EA is configured by the user. All right. Overall, the ZxPlus EA presents itself as a trend-following MT4 system that combines multiple confirmation indicators before entering a trade and offers a wide range of exit and risk management options. For traders who appreciate flexibility in trade management and detailed configuration settings, the available options are certainly one of the standout aspects of this expert advisor. Thank you for watching. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you once again. I look forward to seeing you in the next review.